Hello to everyone. I'm at Dollar Tree and I want to buy some shelf-stable milk. Okay, I prefer this milk for the stockpile, and the expiration is November 2019. But on this 1%, the expiration is January 2020. And I thought, So I looked at this soy milk, May 2019. Then I came down here and I saw November 2019. But when I came over here, I saw January 2020. So, this one is probably the way to go because, it's got a longer shelf life to be in your stockpile. So when you're buying for your prepping, you want to go probably with this one. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.